Weight and temperature. Measurement of weight. To measure weight of an object, we need use the C unit of kilogram, kg. The other unit are also used to measure weight. Kilograms are commonly used to measure the weight of objects. Grams, g, and milligrams, mg, are used to measure the weight of smaller objects, mg. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 g, 1 g is equal to 1000 milligrams and 1 kilogram equals 10 lakh milligrams. We have already learned that how to convert kg into g and vice versa. Example 1. If the weight of a tire is 2.5 kilograms, then find the weight of 15 such tires. Solution. The weight of a tire is 2.5 kilograms. Thus, the weight of 15 such tires is equal to 2.5 times 15 is equal to 37.5 kilograms. Temperature. Temperature is the measurement of the hotness and coldness of a body. It is measured with the help of a device called a thermometer. The three units in which temperature is measured are Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Hence, there are three different scales for measuring temperature. Measurement of temperature. Temperature is measured with various types of thermometers that may be calibrated to a variety of temperature scales because it is a relative measurement. For accurate measurement of temperature, scales based on reference points must be used. There are three main scales commonly used to measure the temperature, are the Fahrenheit scale, whose symbol is degree F. B. The Celsius scale, whose symbol is degree C. C. The Kelvin scale, whose symbol is K. Thermometer. A thermometer is a device used to measure temperature. It has mercury filled inside a bulb. The mercury can rise or fall in a thin tube attached to the bulb. When the bulb is in contact with a hot body, the level of mercury rises in the tube. And when it is in contact with a cold body, the level of mercury reduces. A thermometer has a scale marked on its body. The thermometers used to measure the temperature of other things are usually marked in degrees Celsius. The normal temperature of the human body is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometers are mostly used at home. A clinical thermometer has a glass tube with a bulb at one end to measure temperature and it is closed at the other end. This bulb and some portion of the glass tube is filled with thermometric liquid such as mercury or alcohol. The rest of the volume of the tube has vacuum in it. There is a kink towards the end of the glass tube, which keeps the thermometric liquid intact once it is removed from the hot body that is under observation. Such thermometers are basically used to measure the temperature of a human body. A clinical thermometer has a temperature range of 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius only. Conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. To convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, we follow the given steps. Multiply by 9. Divide by 5. Add 32. Example 1. Convert 100 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit scale. Solution. Multiplying by 9, 100 times 9 equals 900. Divide by 5, 900 divided by 5 equals 180. Adding 32, 180 plus 32 equals 212. Thus, the temperature in Fahrenheit scale is 212 degrees Fahrenheit.